Fuck the game up to the Trojan.
Oh my god. I can't. It's over.
Here come the bully. I'm such a meanie. I just do what I feel. Do you feel me?
Welcome, all you beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. I am your host, the old white suburbanite himself, Chizzek-Juan, Chizzek-Juan, in the house. Literally in the house. In my house. And I am getting ready to react to the one and only Prof Rhymesayers Entertainment, up from Minneapolis, Minnesota, somewhere around there. Prof is one of the craziest dudes, one of my favorite rappers. I don't even know. I mean, we have to call him a rapper because he calls himself a rapper, and he can spit amazing. But he is, in my personal opinion, an artist first. He is a musical artist. He sings. He makes music that doesn't sound like anybody else. I just love people who find their own lane, and they're just like, hey, you guys do that over there. I'm gonna go, like, no one's ever been here, so I'm just gonna go in that direction, see what I can find. And Prof does that beautifully. I'm getting real excited here because not only is he dope with whatever he comes out with, I don't think there's a single miss from him. What I mean to say is, I think I've liked every single thing I've heard of his, at least, you know, in the past, I don't know, 6 years or whatever. Powderhorn Suites, his last album, amazing album. Why isn't this dude bigger? You know what? I heard he got dropped from Rhymesayers because of some scandal. So I might have to take that Rhymesayers statement back. I have to, you know, update the info, find out if he is still with them or if he's now a solo artist, how all that works. I'll look into it and I'll put it in the comments. Wait, I've been waiting to do this. I'll put it in the comments. And, you know, I don't want to dwell on that. I just want to jump right into this and see what it is. His videos are usually off, like, they're off the meat rack. They're crazy. They're crazy shit. He's such a character. Enough of me babbling. Let's get into this. He's such a fucking nutcase. He is such a fucking nutcase. You know they don't spend huge amounts of money on these productions, so they get inventive. But, I mean... What are you doing? What are you doing? I fucking love it. I love it. But let's just take a moment to appreciate that every beat that Prof decides to use for his tracks is this weird cacophony of funhouse sounds that he's like nobody else. I think he just refuses to get down with, like, whatever is traditional. Is this what's traditional? Well, I'm gonna take maybe like 30% of it, and I'm just gonna do, like, I'm gonna take those 30%, I'm gonna completely flip them and just do my own thing with them. Look at this nutcase. What is he doing?
You know they try to give me like a lick, ayy, even when it didn't know shit, ayy, I was shooting straight from the hip, ayy, took your fucking shot and you missed, ayy, you know I never really said rhymes, ayy, you know I had to move through the slime, ayy, everybody knows my time, ayy, everybody know the state line, on your way out grab a coat or something, everyone here know that the whole shit done, if you used to drop, watch your whole shit come, ding dong, ping pong, I'm a hole in one, man I seen it do shows and and I hope it's fun. I murder everybody by 5 and get some bowling done. I ain't leave nobody alive, man, I'm the chosen one. I'ma fuck the game up till the Trojan done.
I love this dude. He's a cartoon character. He should have been in Looney Tunes. But you can't. His skills are undeniable. He can rap like nobody's business. Like nobody's business. And I saw some quick little interview or maybe like a little special on him on YouTube. And he just chooses to kind of like marinate on songs, and he doesn't like put something together very quick, or maybe he does. Maybe he also does put songs together very quickly, but he kind of gets like ideas, just little quips. He's like, well, I like this riff, I like this section. I'm gonna grab that and see where I can stick it. And it's more about creating a feeling and a vibe than it is to tell some kind of a story. Like this track is not about, this isn't a storyteller here. This is just him being a crazy fucking goofball, like he is. I gotta hear this thing again. I'm semi following what's going on with the story here, the visual story, but I don't think that the lyrics have anything in common.
Everyone here know that the whole shit done. If you used to drop, watch your whole shit come. Ding dong, ping pong, I'm a hole in one. Man, I seen the do shows and I hope it's fun. I murder everybody by 5 and get some bowling done. I ain't leave nobody alive, man, I'm the chosen one. I'ma fuck the game up till the Trojan done.
Oh my god, I can't. It's over. Look. He's got this. I'm sure you guys saw this video of him dressed up as Mr. Rogers, or any track. There's a chance that somewhere in the second half of the track, he's got a little dance number. Right? He usually got some girls with him, and they're all dancing, and he's also doing choreography with them. I mean, he's dancing, and he can move. He's a decent dancer, and it's usually hilarious watching him do it because you can see that he's not taking himself seriously. It's this like transcendental type of humor where you're like, you're crazy, you're just crazy, you're not okay in the head, and it is beyond entertaining to watch. Now this thing right here, I can't with this dude. I can't. Oh my god, I need to watch this again. Listen how he spits this. Murder everybody, go bowling by 5 or whatever. Murder everybody by 5, then go get some bowling done or whatever. Oh, he's got such mastery of his voice.
Watch your whole shit come, ding dong, ping pong, I'm a hole in one. Man, I seen the do shows and I hope it's fun. I murder everybody by 5 and get some bowling done. I ain't leave nobody alive, man, I'm the chosen one. I'ma fuck the game up till the Trojan done.
That guy's got a fucking rocket launcher.
Stuffing their face with cake, ayy. Now they feel the wrath of the grapes, ayy. Now I'm all gas, no brakes, ayy. Meanwhile, I turn to a logo. If there was some birds, they dodos. Oh, bro, oh no, yo, code, they killed themselves pro bono. I swear it wasn't Italy, Sicily, Italy. It was just literally, bitch, are you kidding me? Full of stupidity, who could think differently? Literally, karma hit instantly.
That's what I'm talking about right there. See, it's like, all right, for 8 bars, I just want to do this thing. Then I'm going to what's his song structure, right? What is that song structure? He just doesn't, his verses are not verses. They're segments of ridiculous shit that pops up in his head over a period of time. And he takes them like puzzle pieces and says, okay, how can I switch it up so that my listener doesn't know what's coming next? And that's what he does. And he does it, again, he does it beautifully. Nutcase. This nutcase. I fucking love you.
You kidding me? Full of stupidity. Who could think differently? Literally, karma hit instantly. Here I am standing alone. Without me, no one would ever have known. I didn't even need to open my throat. Now just sit back and just go like the throat. Yeah, it is. Hey, yeah, it is. Hey, baby, I know what it is. Hey, baby, I know what it is. Hey, yeah, it is. Hey,
My favorite part.
hey, baby, I know what it is. Hey, baby, I know what it is. Hey.
It ended too abruptly. I wanted more of that. I wanted to see something happen. And maybe if he's smart, he's gonna have another video, like a follow-up, that's gonna continue the story. Because that was a trip. That was a trip. I didn't want it to end. I wanted it to be just a little bit longer. That chorus and him dancing there to that, beautiful. Beautiful. Yo, I needed this. This. Oh man, sometimes, I mean, you don't need to do any hyper analysis, whatever. Just have some fun with it, man. Just have some fun with it. But respect the skill. The dude's nice. The dude's super nice. Oh man, my jaws hurt. My jaws hurt from laughing. All right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching this with me. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Tap tada tada tap tada tap tada tada tap tada tap tada tada tap tada tap tada tada tap tada
Chizzek-Juan.